the ingredients required are 1 cucumber cut into pieces,
Like this.
1 boiled potato, 1 tomato cut into
These
pieces and deseeded, and 1 bowl of chickpea or chole which are boiled. I've taken 4 whistles and on sim for 5 minutes. So, shall we start, Anandi?
Yes, we said.
Yes. So, first, let's add the
Chole.
chole. To the chole, we'll be adding,
The cucumber.
catch properly. Yes. Then we'll be adding
The tomato.
and then
The potatoes.
yes. So now let's give it a mix.
Yeah.
You'll mix it. Come, catch. So let's give it a
Stir.
nice mix. Yes. Now we are done with it. Okay. Now we'll be adding
A pinch of
wait. We'll be adding half teaspoon of chaat masala. Half teaspoon of black salt. We have used black salt. Pudina leaves, which are very finely cut.
Yes.
And we'll be squeezing
A bit of lemon.
half lemon.
Yes. To make a nice taste. And for nice design.
No, first we'll mix this. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's mix everything together.
And make it
then
flat.
then we'll taste this to see if the chaat masala and the black salt.
Makes it good. And a nice taste.
Okay, you like to taste, Anandi?
Yeah. So we can make the design properly.
Let's add some more chaat masala
To make it more yummy.
to make it more
Yummy.
yummy.
And give it a nice.
And give it a nice
Stir.
mix. Okay, stir. You want to stir?
Yeah.
Sure, catch it over here. Catch the bowl, stir. And now let's
Put it in the bowl. And if you want to add something, that's good. Because we are adding.
now. Okay, you want to decorate? Decorate. And our
Salad is done.
ready.
And I hope you like this video. Bye.
And I hope you like the video. Please subscribe.
I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye.
मी तुला घास खाली दे म्हणून तू म्हणणार यम. Would you like to taste?
Yes, please. So yummy.
Please
Subscribe. Please watch and please press the notification button. Bye.
Please like, share and subscribe for such yummy recipes.
Yes.
See you in the next video. Bye.
I'm gonna eat this.
Eat it.